What is step stair? While there is no formal architectural or design classification for a step stair, in the same way there is for a spiral or straight staircase, the term is used colloquially to describe stairs with a distinct, pronounced, and often oversized step-like appearance. It can also refer to a broader design concept where elements are arranged in a tiered or terraced fashion, resembling a flight of stairs. The adjective stepped, in this context, emphasizes the visual prominence of the individual steps, or a design that incorporates a series of raised horizontal platforms. This can manifest in several ways. In staircase design, when referring to a literal staircase, a stepped stair might describe a design that has deep treads and low risers. The horizontal part of the step, the tread, is significantly deeper than usual, and the vertical part, the riser, is lower. This creates a more gradual, elongated ascent and can make each step feel like a small platform. Integrated landings. The staircase might incorporate broad, platform-like landings that are integrated into the flow of the steps, blurring the line between a simple step and a resting area. Exaggerated step profile. The design might intentionally accentuate the form of each step, making them a dominant visual feature of the structure. In broader architectural and landscape design, more frequently, the concept of a step design is applied to larger architectural or landscape features that are not solely for vertical circulation. These are often referred to as stepped platforms or terraces. These are a series of raised flat areas arranged like wide, oversized stairs. They are commonly used in public spaces, gardens, and amphitheaters to provide seating, create visual interest, and navigate gentle slopes. Stepped seating. Common in auditoriums, lecture halls, and stadiums, this design arranges seating in tiers to ensure clear sight lines for everyone. Step building forms. The overall silhouette of a building may be stepped, with successive floors set back from the one below, creating a terraced or ziggurat-like appearance. This technique can be used to provide outdoor space for upper-level apartments or to comply with zoning regulations regarding light and air. In essence, while you won't find a technical definition for a stepped stair, the term effectively conveys a design that emphasizes the individual, platform-like quality of its steps, or a structure that incorporates a series of tiers for functional and aesthetic purposes.